Masterchef contestant putting Jamaica on the plate. Meet Tkaiya Dryden.
I'm the sugar honey. I'm sweet just like some ice cream.
Fresh-faced Tkaiya Dryden into cooking from early on.
In high school, I got up every morning. I think I had my mom's hustler mindset. My name is Tkaiya. I'm from Jamaica, New York, and I'm representing Jamaica.
Her Jamaican parentage a big factor in Tkaiya's selection as a contestant in Masterchef Season 16 Global Gauntlet.
Just over 5 minutes to go. Are you running behind?
I'm pretty confident.
But the Queen's New Yorker also coming to the show, having graduated from the Culinary Institute of America, the top-notch training ground for the likes of Anthony Bourdain, Anne Burrell, Kat Cora, and a host of other A-list chefs. Tuition costly, but her mom and dad came through.
My teacher always told me that if you want to be great, you have to go where the best go. You have to go where the great people go. And I think you will go there and you won't make nothing of your education.
Jobs, though, not guaranteed because of a prestigious alma mater.
I've been in rooms where I didn't get in that room because of the school I went to. I got in that room because of who I am and my talent.
Tell me what it is you enjoy about cooking and what you think somebody is going to like about a meal that you make.
What I enjoy about cooking is the feeling I get after I finish a dish. And the feeling I get when a guest or a client, they taste that dish and I'm like, yeah, I made that. And you know, I always think about my grandmother who actually taught me how to cook. She taught me how to bake. And I know that I'm always applying myself, trying to make sure things taste good. You know, I have a Jamaican mother and she always say, if this not tastes good, nobody else can eat it. You know, she's almost like my own Gordon Ramsay at home because she's a picky eater and she knows what food is supposed to taste like.
Tkaiya had her own pastry business, making cakes for weddings and birthdays, baking from home, and just got a new job. But no passing on the opportunity of being in a long-running TV show with a global audience.
Good job, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up.
I remember my chef one time, I told him, I said, you know, I want to elevate Caribbean cuisine. I want to elevate my cuisine. He's a French chef, and he told me, who do you think you are? You're gonna elevate Jamaican queens. They have to accept you first. You know, I'm getting so emotional thinking about it and seeing how everything is coming back around and it's happening where I'm actually doing that and I'm being told that I'm doing it in the right way, the authentic way, and I'm not straying away from my culture. Rather, I am just doing it the best way that I can and making sure that I do it right.
You enter this competition, it's not just cakes and eclairs, you have to make a meal. So are you nervous?
I did ask myself, can I do this? Can I prepare all these different meals, knowing that I'm primarily a pastry chef? And you know, it's all about believing in yourself and taking a big leap forward. And you know, I did it and I got this far, and it's not like I can't do it. I think a lot of the times when I'm preparing a dish, it's common sense.
Global Gauntlet divided into regions of the world. Tkaiya in the Americas.
One home cook from each of the territories gets top dish, and then there's a best dish for the evening. And with the best dish, you save your entire team.
Did you save anybody?
I have not saved anyone, but then always, I have been saving my own self because none of my dishes have ever been bottom dishes.
But you know, Gordon Ramsay isn't going to cut you any slack. He's notoriously ferocious.
We have the top dish from the Americas. Please step forward. Tkaiya.
I know what Gordon Ramsay is looking for, so when I'm preparing my dish, I'm thinking about, does this have enough salt? Is this seasoned? Is my fish raw? Is my fish cooked? Is this meat raw? Is this steak well done, medium rare? You have to know what the judges are expecting, and if you don't know what they're looking for, you can say bye.
How much fun is this, or is it mostly stress?
It is stressful and fun at the same time, but stressful because you never know what day you're gonna go home. You just never know.
Plus, no income currently coming in.
I put my business on hold to be in Masterchef. I quit my job to go on Masterchef. And I put my master's degree on hold.
So how are you paying the bills?
Well, that's a great question. Luckily enough, I have my parents. Luckily enough.
Even if you don't win or go forward in the competition, what do you think will be the big benefit for you?
I think the big benefit for me, God forbid if I don't go forward in the competition, is that it has opened up a lot of doors for me. And you know, they always say to use these things as a platform to push forward. Don't stop and not continue your career, what you want to do, just because one person told you no.
The Americas, come on!
Masterchef, the global gauntlet on a 5-week break, so the 23-year-old here to explore Jamaica and its food scene.
I see Jamaica on a different level than before. I want to go more in depth with the food, the culture. Where does my food come from? Why are these dishes the way that they are? You know, I saved up a lot of money to be here.
During, coincidentally, another big global competition. If you were to come up with a World Cup sort of menu, what would you be putting on the plate?
That's a great question. What comes to mind quick, and this is actually one of the dishes I prepared, I would put together a beef patty with 3 different sauces. But the beef patty would be made in a non-traditional way in terms of the shape of it. I did a cheddar mornay sauce with a barbecue sauce, and then I had like a crispy golden beef patty that was in the shape of a soccer ball. And today I will be preparing for you a garlic butter lobster jerk beurre blanc with pumpkin puree and mushrooms. I think right now what's important in the culinary industry is storytelling. How can your guests connect with you, the chef? But not only that, I need to make sure my dishes are consistent. Always knowing what you want to prepare and knowing if you like it and it tastes good to you, then your guests will like it and it will taste good to them as well.
Looking forward to seeing more of the consistently engaging Tkaiya Dryden when Masterchef, the global gauntlet, resumes in July.
Cheers, enjoy.
The ER Top 10 is brought to you by